public health updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The U.S. FDA has approved lenacapavir, marketed as Yeztugo, a groundbreaking HIV prevention drug from Gilead Sciences. This long-acting injectable provides 6 months of protection from HIV with a single dose. Developed from research by University of Utah, scientist Wesley Sundquist, the drug targets the HIV capsid. In large-scale trials involving over 2,000 high-risk women in South Africa and Uganda, 0 infections were reported. Sundquist, recently named a 2025 Warren Alpert Prize recipient, emphasizes that while this is a milestone, efforts toward developing a comprehensive HIV vaccine must continue. A new study from the University of Brescia links insulin resistance to faster cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patients. The research used the triglyceride glucose index, or TIG index, to measure insulin resistance and found that patients with high TIG scores experienced cognitive deterioration 4 times faster than those with normal insulin sensitivity. Notably, this correlation was not observed in other types of cognitive impairment. The findings open a potential pathway for early personalized interventions in Alzheimer's care. In a surprising discovery, an ancient fungus is offering new hope in leukemia treatment. Aspergillus flavus has been found to produce a new class of ribosomately synthesized and post-translationally modified peptides called asparagomycins. These compounds exhibit selective activity against leukemia cells, with some variants showing potency comparable to standard chemotherapy drugs. The mechanism appears to involve the SLC46A3 gene, which regulates cellular transport through lysosomes. This breakthrough could pave the way for a new generation of fungal-derived cancer therapeutics. Researchers from CNIO, the University of Cambridge, and biotech firm Taylor Bio have developed a genomic test that can predict resistance to chemotherapy. The test identifies biomarkers related to chromosomal instability, allowing for the early detection of patients unlikely to respond to standard chemotherapy. Validated across 840 patients and 4 cancer types, the test is slated for clinical trials by 2026. If successful, this tool could help tailor treatment strategies and improve outcomes for hundreds of thousands of cancer patients each year. Scientists at Washington University have uncovered a surprising role for a cholesterol-binding molecule in preventing both blindness and heart failure. ApoM, a molecule that binds with sphingosine 1-phosphate, helps clear harmful cholesterol buildup from lysosomes. In mouse models, restoring ApoM levels reverse damage associated with age-related macular degeneration and cardiac aging. The research, now being translated into therapies by Mobius Scientific, suggests that boosting ApoM could become a powerful strategy for early prevention of degenerative diseases in the eye and heart. A major technological leap in surgical imaging has arrived. Ocuterex has unveiled HemoLucence, an AI-powered visualization system that allows surgeons to see through blood during operations. Integrated into the ORBot 3D microscope, the technology renders up to 3 millimeters of pooled blood effectively translucent. This enhances surgical precision and safety, especially in procedures with high bleeding risk, such as neurosurgery and spinal operations. Clinical trials are expected to begin between 2025 and 2026. Finally, a sobering report in The Lancet reveals a global decline in childhood vaccination rates. The study analyzed data from 1980 to 2023 across 204 countries and found that measles vaccine coverage has fallen in over 100 nations. In some regions, polio is beginning to reemerge. Contributing factors include ongoing health inequities, disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, and rising vaccine hesitancy. Public health experts are calling for urgent action, including campaigns to rebuild trust and significant reinvestment in global immunization infrastructure. Stay ahead in public health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us